Make these delicious chicken kebabs in your oven or in your air fryer. Start with 500 grams of ground chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Add chopped garlic and ginger 1 teaspoon each. 1 cup of chopped onions, 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup of chopped mild green chilies. Lastly, 1 egg. Mix together all ingredients. Refrigerate for 30 minutes, or you can start making kebabs right away. Now place aluminum foil on a baking tray. Grease with some cooking spray. Bring 1/2 cup of water. Wet your hands with some water and start making small balls. Then flatten it to give a round shape. Place it on greased surface. Make as many kebabs to use all the marinated ground chicken. Make big batch so you can use it for the whole week. Apply cooking spray on the top. Adjust the oven rack on 3rd level. Set your oven on broil. Broil the kebabs for 8 minutes. After that, take them out of the oven. Carefully flip all of the kebabs. Due to high heat, we need to be very cautious when using broiling feature of the oven. It's important to be in the kitchen while broiling. Put it back in the oven for 8 more minutes, or until light golden. After 8 minutes, check if it's fully cooked. Delicious kebabs are ready. Enjoy! When it is at room temperature, you can freeze it for later use. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.